figured out what type of materials are on there yet? They're on 3-2. They're on 3-2.
More information, just let me know. I'm monitoring you.
Okay, I'm getting a little bit more. We can help her out if she needs it. Yes, you can. You can. Well, what we can tell you is that the CSX is on location here at the train derailment. They also have the CSX police, full hazmat assignment. In fact, they're putting out more and more calls for more hazmat personnel. I'm going to get Mike to work its way up towards the fire incident itself, and you're going to be able to see still a lot of thick black smoke coming from this derailment here at the location. They're in the process of working fire hoses down towards the track because, as you can imagine, there isn't any type of hydrants whatsoever. So getting water to here